Hey everyone! Tired of jumping between spreadsheets, CRMs, and dashboards just to get your daily tasks done? Stackby is here to simplify your workflow chaos. With this powerful no-code platform, you can build custom databases, automate tasks, and turn raw data into real-time insights. No coding skills needed. It's perfect for businesses, teams, and freelancers who need smarter tools to organize work and scale faster. In this video, we'll break down the Stackby lifetime deal available on AppSumo and show you exactly how it can transform the way you manage your operations. Let's dive into the details and see what makes it so powerful. What is Stackby? Stackby is a no-code platform that combines the flexibility of spreadsheets with the power of databases and automation. It lets you create custom workflows, organize data, and connect with over 2,000 apps, all in one place. You can start from scratch or import data from Google Sheets, Excel, or Airtable. With 30+ column types, custom dashboards, forms, and real-time collaboration, Stackby makes it easy to manage projects, track goals, and streamline operations. Built for marketing teams, project managers, and small businesses, Stackby transforms disconnected tools into one organized, automated workspace. Discover exclusive lifetime deals on AppSumo. Shop now. Normally, a tool like this could cost you hundreds every year. But right now on AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access to Stackby for a one-time payment starting at just $99. That's not monthly, not yearly, just once. Oh, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you've got nothing to lose and everything to organize. Here's what you're looking at in terms of pricing and features. License Tier 1, one-time purchase of $99, originally $120. Offering one user, 20 stacks, 5,000 rows per stack, 4 GB attachment/stack, 5 MB file upload limit. License Tier 2, $198 one time. Offering 2 users, 7,000 rows per stack, 10 GB attachments per stack. License Tier 3 and Tier 4, starting at $297 and $396. Offering 3 users, 25 stacks, 10,000 rows per stack, extra storage and branding options. 5 most important features that make Stackby special. Spreadsheet to superpower. Use your current spreadsheets as the starting point and build databases that actually work for you, no tech degree required. Custom dashboards. Track everything that matters with real-time charts, pivot tables, and summary boxes. Business goals? Monitored. Zapier-style automations. Stop doing the same task 43 times a week. Automate it. From submissions to email notifications, Stackby's got you. Live app integrations. Pull live data straight from Meta Ads, Google Analytics, YouTube, and others. Your data updates itself like magic. Collaborate like a pro. Comments, checklists, due dates, and permissions for every row and column. Your team stays in sync without the chaos. People who can get benefit from Stackby. Marketing agencies, project managers, small businesses, remote teams, consultants, data analysts, freelancers. If you fall into any of these, you're gonna love this. Snag an extra 10% off on AppSumo deals. Got your eyes on Stackby? Want to save even more? Time for that bonus level unlock. Grab an extra 10% off Stackby lifetime deal. Here's how. Go to the Stackby lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Wait for the email sign-up pop-up. Enter your email, must be a working one. Boom, check your inbox for the 10% off code. Use that code during checkout and stack your savings with Stackby. Are you still waiting? Still thinking about it? Don't be that person who comes back next week and sees the deal is gone. Stackby is the missing link between your scattered data and real productivity. Grab your deal, organize your world, and finally stop drowning in spreadsheets. Check out the description, explore the features, and lock in that lifetime deal while it lasts. If you found this review helpful and want more walkthroughs and tech reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.